In this video we will go through constituting elements. We will discuss about settings regarding aircrafts and their substitutes, document and forms, aircraft approval and permit issuance. Click on Edit to select the required settings. You can either allow or prohibit the applicant adding substitute aircraft when submitting an application. When you select Substitutes Not Allowed, the applicant will not be allowed to include any substitute aircraft in their application. When same aircraft model only is selected, the applicant will be allowed to include a substitute aircraft that has the same model as the main aircraft. For instance, if the primary aircraft is Airbus 319, then the substitute aircraft should be the exact same model. When same aircraft maximum takeoff weight only is selected, it means the applicant can select a substitute aircraft that is in the same range of maximum takeoff weight as the main or primary aircraft. For instance, if the maximum takeoff weight of the primary aircraft varies between 61,200 and 74,800 kilograms, then Boeing 737-700, which has the same maximum takeoff weight, can be added as substitute. If the applicant is allowed to select any aircraft without any specification constraints, then all substitutes allowed can be selected. When this setting is selected, an input field appears where the CAA can determine the acceptable variances between the manufacturer maximum takeoff weight, which is mentioned in the aircraft directory, and the maximum takeoff weight inserted by the applicant in the aircraft profile. For instance, if the maximum takeoff weight of Airbus 319 in the aircraft directory is 68,000 kilograms, and if the percentage of acceptable difference set by CAA is plus or minus 10%. The allowed maximum takeoff weight variance will be 68,000 kilograms plus or minus 10%. Therefore, the system will allow the applicant to enter any maximum takeoff weight between 61,200 kilograms and 74,800 kilograms only. The applicant won't be allowed to enter a maximum takeoff weight that is not within the set range. If we want the applicant to annotate the documents uploaded in the application prior submission, we can enable this feature to simplify the reviewing of documents by the CAA employees. The annotation feature is to highlight specific information within the uploaded PDF or any other type of document, which allows the reviewer to emphasize on the most important information while verifying the document. When this is disabled, the CAA employees will be annotating the documents. We can decide to partially approve an application by enabling Partially Approved Permit Application feature. For instance, if a block schedule starts on 20th of March and extends till 20th of June, and one of the submitted documents expires on 1st of May, before end of schedule, the application will get partially approved till 1st of May. Another permit number can be issued for the rest of the schedule as soon as the renewed document is uploaded by the applicant. If you wish to require the forms to be approved by CAA employees, you may enable the setting Require Information Forms to be approved. We can select what action the system should take when an invalid or expired document is rejected. Should only the document get rejected? Or should the whole application become rejected? When we enable this option, the approval of the application will require the verification of aircraft specification. This option applies to the aircraft specification only, excluding aircraft documents. The CAA can define whether the flight plan or exit entry points are required for the issuance of the permit. If both are required, you can select both options. When selecting one of these options, the approval of the application will be possible. However, the issuance of the permit will require valid flight plan and exit entry points for each flight sector mentioned in the application. Once the settings are set, save the changes. To learn about the automated actions available in the system, make sure to watch the related tutorial video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.